Welcome back. Hopefully you have the same answers that I got. Did you notice here that we actually had to calculate the length of the hypotenuse? Of course, knowing the two sides, we can use the Pythagorean theorem, and we ended up with the square root of 34. Okay. I'll just point out here on P, where we have the radical 34 on the bottom. Remember, you have to rationalize that, so we want to multiply top and bottom by radical 34, and then we end up getting 3 radical 34 divided by 34. And 3 and 34 don't have any factors in common, so there's nothing to simplify. Okay, go ahead and let you finish looking at those, and we'll go ahead then and start on use your calculator to find each of the following. Round your answers to the nearest hundredth. Okay, and then it says check your calculator first, and they tell you that the sine of 16 degrees is 0.28. So when you pull your calculator up, you can check which mode you're in first by pressing the mode button. And you can see here where it points out and it says degree. That's what we will want to have it, as opposed to radian. That will be on a future lesson. Okay, so we just clear that out. So we can check and see by pressing the sine button and putting in 16. You don't have to put the parentheses, but I tend to do that. And see that it's 2756. Okay, and they show 0.28. And that would be because 0.275 would be rounded off to 0.28 or 28 hundredths. So let's go ahead and do these. We have the sine of 31. So we're going to press sine and we're going to type in 31 and we get 0.515 when we round that off. Okay, we get, and this is going to be approximate because we're rounding, and that would be 0.52. Okay, the next one is cosine. And the same thing, we do 28 degrees, and we have 0.88, and you notice it's a 2, so we're just going to leave it as 0.88. So approximately, well, we can put the 0 in there first, and then 0.88. Okay, I'll let you go ahead and finish the last one, and then we'll move on.